Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to type bold text on Facebook post. So this is a very easy tutorial. First you just have to go or tap this what's on your mind. And if you want to set this or type this to turn this into bold text, all you have to do is you just have to select this all, right click, copy or control C. Now open a new tab here and then type bold text and you will see here different websites. So all you have to do is to choose one. So let's just say I wanted to choose the very first link here above, which is this one. And then what you're going to do here is pretty simple. All you have to do is to right click or paste the phrase or words here. And then you will see the result on the right side. Now you have here choices like bold, bold sans, italic bold. So you just have to select all of the bold type that you like. For example, this one right here, right click, copy, go back to your Facebook, delete this one, right click, paste or control V. And that's it. That's how easy it is to simply type bold text on Facebook post. Now feel free to share it or you can go back and then look again for another bold text type and then paste it right here. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.